Hi guys, this is Nikes Loa, your reliable supplier in China. So today we are going to visit a factory. I'm waiting for the supplier. They have office here in Shanghai. The factory is in Shaoxing, Keqiao. It's like 2 hours or 3 hours driving from Shanghai to that place. So I'm waiting for him. So once he arrives, and we'll head there together. So I will show you everything about the factory and share with you all the information. And if you want to place any order, don't think twice, just call me and see how we can work it together. Thank you, and we stay in touch. So here we are heading to the factory. I'm with my friend, the factory supplier. Together. We are together here. You can see we are heading to the factory, I guess. So we will be there in a few minutes. In several minutes we will be there. So when we will be there, we will like I will make a video in the factory, in the warehouse, and so on. So stay tuned with us. See you next time. Bye.
对，你想看一下吗？
对，想看那个，把它停一下，没事。
TC Property 对吧？
他说重量是220几吧？
这个重量吗？
对，
这个重量在115克。
英文说吧。
115.
150 GSM.
Yeah. Okay. TC Property always for shirts move.
Is it fine?
Tell him to, yeah, tell him.
这里有没有？它这边写的
filament
对 filament 这里应该有了。
filament 是按照我们现在想，其实这是成分的一种，我们这个是 TC， T 是 cotton。OK。对 T 就是那 filament。OK。C 是 cotton。OK， 所以呢 filament 只是一种涤纶的一种形式，但是没说具体成分是多少，我现在吃不准。是到底全涤的还是 TC 的还是哪一种？所以说今天来了，你可以先正好试着看一下近似的情况。如果这种感兴趣了，后面你就知道啊，这个品种也是 OK 的。如果需要针织的咱对面，等会儿去了另外一个染厂里面都是涤纶。
Okay. You said that here they have a lot of kind of filament. So
the one where you were before, there's where you were when you were talking to him. Can I see that green one?
All right.
There's one, yeah, where you were. There's the green one. Yep.
Okay, give me a second. 请问，他要看这个那个绿色了。对，这个绿色是什么？
这个绿色也是 TC Poplin 的一个颜色，颜色 N 种。So TC Poplin.
Is it
also TC Poplin? Sir, this green color also for the TC Poplin.
TC Poplin, I don't know. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, TC Poplin.
Because TC Poplin has so many different colors.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't
You don't want.
亮的面料，等会咱们去了那边，你这就有了。
OK
这边的话是先本。
Okay, alright.
Okay.
Let me see that purple there. There's a purple beside
You mean this one? Did I miss?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, that one in front.
Oh, okay, I see that.
Yeah.
You mean this one?
I see. Yeah.
There is.
Oh, okay. No.
It's not this one.
No.
It's not shiny. Oh,
Yeah.
I think the one you want is the one you shining. Is that right?
Yeah. Some of them, that's making it shiny.
Exactly. So we are heading to the place there. He will show me all they have about the fabric which is shining. So see the stock, and then if you want to place the order based on the stock here, there's no problem.
Let me see the blue one down.
The
Blue one.
which one?
No,
Here?
No, don't worry. Yeah, it's not.
It's not that, right?
Yeah, no.
How about this way?
Does it have any right?
The sky blue and the red and the fuchsia different colors 啊，你看能让客户看看是不是啊 It's always like this and later this place is our warehouse. Then later we will go in the dyeing factory, maybe to show you more about in the production line about the shining different items to show you.
Okay.
Yeah.
我帮你准备这样，录我就行。Okay. Okay, so this one, the stock is there. Is taking some something to let you see.
Can he bring it out?
Yes, it's coming. It's coming. You give a second. You come soon. But this one also is stretchy in the way back.
Is it stretchy?
Yeah. You can see that one. You can see it, right?
Yeah, if he can bring it out.
Yeah, sure.
With our hands on.
Okay.
But is it the same fabric as the other one?
I will ask him. Yeah, it's coming.
Do they look the same?
No. You can see the difference. You can see here, right? You can see the difference here. And that one, you can see the difference. You see it's different. You know, it's not. So if you want this one, then you do have it in many colors. So if you still want it, you can.
No, I don't want that one.
You don't want that one? Okay. So this one is a real color.
Yeah, this one. Yeah,
Exactly.
no, I don't want
So it's available in blue, white, and so on.
No, I don't want
Okay.
Can we see
你
the
先放吧。刚才打游戏也看你。
这个布料跟那个也不一样。
对。
这是 TP，
对。可以使用
tail fabric. This is also for the tail fabric.
This is the tail fabric. I don't know whether you.
tail?
Yeah, tails.
Tail?
Yeah.
Alright, what's the GSM?
It's the same, right?
The direct one.
GS how much? 中了这种。
这个用这种法。
你来看一看啊，我现在看100多米啊，这个你来看一看。如果是那个200上的会不会太便宜了？200左右。
这应该这个是含弹力的，这是有弹力在。
对 so firstly is checking what is the right one. He doesn't want to put it and then yes, and then you're gonna make a lot of work later. So firstly checking what is exactly.
这回头要查一下，可能在160到180啊，可能在这样。
Yes, fresh is so you said this one is like 180 and and 200 between.
Okay. All right. Yeah, let me.
Okay, so here we are in the factories. Also, we have samples. You can see the sample wages. Here we have. And so on. So here is the warehouse. You can see we have a lot of stock here. So today we are here for the loading, checking the this is after production, like when the factory finished to produce, they put all the fabric in this kind of place, and we came here to check the quality, whether they put it in the right place, and then we book a container and ship it directly. So this is how we do. Firstly, we check the serial number. You know, there is serial number here. You see here, there's a number. We check the number. We check everything. The number, there's the details, everything. So firstly, we scan that QR code. When we scan that QR code, it gives us all information about this, the GSM. The weight, how long is the fabric, everything. They give when you scan that QR code, you have all the information about the fabric, the quality, and so on. So it's like this. We do the inspection like this. The inspection like this. So right now we are in a warehouse. Later we go in a factory. Okay. So I'll let you see what we have here. What we have here is like this. All kind you need. We do OEM, ODM. We do all of it. OEM, ODM. We do all of it. So you can see there's some samples here. Samples here. Samples here. Here, so ready to be supplied. Okay, see how is it? It's cool. Okay. OK， 你们直接就开进小就行了。可以了，这样没什么问题了。
这边是正面，现在
这个可以拉上去吧？可以拉去吧？
你说拉是吧？
可以拉去。OK。
Yeah, and what's the GSM?
这个都稍微200左右吧。
对，差不多。但我们要具体刻一下，我估计在180到200。
OK。He said is 190 to 200.
All right. So what other colors does he have?
See if I can make my road. Yeah, you can see.
Okay, so these are all the colors
Yeah.
he has.
是一样的是吧？这两个应该是一样的嘛。
And they're all the same.
你让我看一下。
这是一样的嘛？Okay.
应该是红色、黑色还是粉色
You will check it. Wait. You will check it. You will check it.
Ask him all the colors he has. Does he have royal blue? I see.
No. He said that. He said the one inside is different from this one. So.
Okay. Those ones what are those?
Inside or this one?
Station.
This one or the inside there?
Inside.
Okay. I should.
Inside.
你都看一下吧。Is checking the name.
Okay. Do a video of the.
Okay, I'm doing.
The,
Is that okay? I'm pulling. It's fine. This is a in front, side. You can see. I'm pulling it.
and then go to the pink ones.
The pink one. Okay. The pink is. Okay. Yeah. This is the pink. The pink is like this.
Just pull it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's stretchy, right?
Yeah. A little bit
Just
fresh.
show the back. Show the
This is the back.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the first one. So here, so this one is a we have it into like pink, black, red, and white is there. All right. So this is a shiny one. This is a shiny. Right. This is a front. This is a front.
那是 face。
Yeah, face. Okay, okay. This is a face. It's the same meaning, but okay. And then this is the back.
You pull it up.
Right.
Yeah.
You pull it.
But this one is not stretchy, you know. It's like
Not stretchy. Yeah.
yes, just little bit stretchy,
Okay.
but it's not that stretchy. Just little bit. You can see my hand, right?
Stretchy, right?
Yeah. Yes, it's just a little bit. Yeah, just a
Can I see
little.
the white? Yeah, can you open the white one on top of it?
It's not white. This one
Yeah.
is blue light. It's not white. It's light blue.
Okay, can you show? Yeah, can you show it?
Okay, 开吧.
你打开。
Okay. Yes, it's the same here. It's the same. It's the same. It's the same. Okay, so here you can see her. You can see. This is a face. Okay, here.
Okay, good.
This is a face.
So it's a lip. Yeah.
This is a face. This is a back.
Can you pull it a little bit?
Yes, it's just little stretchy.
So it's a little bit stretchy.
Yeah, a little bit.
Stretchy.
Exactly.
All right. Can you do the
This
one
one?
below it? No, not that one. Below it.
Okay.
That one. Yep.
It look like yellow. Okay. It's the same. So you can see this one. You can see that. This is a okay. Okay, this is the back. This is the face.
That's the front.
All right.
Okay, let's just do it.
So
Any
here
other
is
color this-
yes. Yeah,
Can I see that green?
yeah. There is a green here. This green. Let me open.
Yeah, let's
信让它了不起吧? There you can see. This is a green. This is a green. Front is shining. The back is just like this. This is a green.
yeah, can you pull it?
Yeah, it's a
Can you
little
pull it
scratchy.
little bit?
Just little.
It's a little bit stretchy.
Yeah, little bit.
Okay.
Just little.
Now, okay. Yeah, little. Yeah. Any other color there? Any other color?
Okay, you let me check.
Can we see that white one? There's only one white one inside, right? But you can't go inside.
No, there's not a white. 哎，你来一下。这边，你来一下。
One white one there.
这是白色的吗？这
Ask him.
这是白色吗？
Ask him how many
有白色里面吗？
white does it have?
你让我看看啊，这东西
对
对时间长了我也说不准。
你看一下有没有白色。Make a video.
哎，这
The
样
light green.
这个太那个太小了，
You can see it.
Okay,
这
good.
样太小，但是
Yeah, good.
肯定是亮光的，这个你放心。
Yeah, that's
这
it.
是一批东西，
Can you
The same,
pull it?
the
Can
same.
you pull it
你拉一
a
下，
little bit?
拉一下。
Pull it.
它就跟这都是一样的品质。
It's the same.
啊，is same。
It's the same. It's the same.
Quality is same, different color。
Face. Show me the
你把那个 face 后面都看一下。
这是 back 啊，
Show me the back. The back, yep.
我这手比较脏，
I want to see it.
很脏了。
No, don't worry. Just
Yeah.
show me. Yep.
This is the face.
天平太小。
Okay, how many rolls does it?
So here we are looking for the coffee brown. Okay. So it's taking which means 这边有可以通吗？我手机有 iPhone 的，我一直在拍这个朋友，我们产品到工厂，手机都一定。
对你可以拿那个颜色，你看看。
How about this one?
Coffee.
coffee, right?
这个好像不是，
It's not. Okay,
这
okay.
个是，这个是，它应该是要 brown 的那种。
等下我看一下，我百度一下。
brown
细讲的怎么样？
因为它这边都做的是亮色的，所以这种 brown 很难找。
细讲的怎么样？ Is that this one?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Okay, 但是这个左右差不多。
对，它是要那个 brown 颜色。
就不让两边，要不然这边浅越浅，这边深。
但是这个应该是这个。
应该是深的，好像是一看
应该是这个。
咖啡不行。
应该对，因为我家咖啡光颜色就是人家看了吧，就是这样。
再选一下那个棕色的开棕色。
这个是差不多的，谢谢。所以我不能抢它吗？非常可以。Okay. Is that this one, right? Is this one? Okay. Okay. 给大家找。Coffee brown， 对，应该是差不多这样的。是不是这个稍微亮一点？这种。
再亮一点。
对。Is that this one, right?
对面是亮。
哦，就这种的。
就是它要。
Yeah, I see, I see, I see, I see.
可以按照这个潘多斯开去找一个然后做的。
可以吗？可以干掉这个什么？
潘多斯开可以对照的呀。
然后这个我问一下这个。
查理肯定有，他要打色卡的吧？
所以
查理肯定有。
有那一本色卡，几千个样，几千个颜色样，几千个颜色样在上面，指定一个颜色，
就做的。
按照这个来，对 OK 的。
哦，
是这样子的。我今天没有带，我办公室有。你要是说要用的话，下一次你就指定哪个颜色，你在这里按the same as the。
再告诉我，看看。
Okay. Okay. So here they have it available, the coffee brown. Which one you sent to me? Is a purple onion color. Onion color. I know. Onion color. Anything.
这没有那么深，其实我们可以去潘多斯他们对一下，当然。这个有点像。
It's close to this one. It's close to this one, right?
It's close to magenta, right?
Yeah, it's close to magenta in this one. Onion brown, it's the same.
So let me show you the difference. So look at the magenta. Magenta is this one.
Yes.
That one is onion.
Exactly.
You see the difference?
Yeah.
Magenta is a little bit pink.
这个就是 onion.
这个跟这个比较像。
对，现在有样品的，
I think
按照这个颜色来，这样它。
this one is that right?
Sorry?
Is that this one?
Which one?
Do you
Just a
see?
minute.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Okay.
欧尼，我以为洋葱了。
Exactly. Is that? Which one is onion? This one?
The other one.
This one is onion.
那买这个。
你改一下。
那买这个。
How about? Huh? This one?
It's also onion, but the other one is more onion than it. Yeah, that's onion. Yeah.
So we can switch this one to how to call it? Magenta?
Magenta. No, magenta is darker.
Is
This
that?
one is also onion, but the other one is a better onion. This one is a better onion than the other one.
Okay. So we need magenta. 그리고 저 샤프로 아주 스티가 거의 마젠타 화이트야. I see. Magenta is So we can take this one as this is Google you making a sauce. No, is this one the onion or this one the onion? This one? Oh, this one is a better onion, right? Alright. Okay. Alright. So it's on my so我们现在在讲那个如果有其他饮的想去哪里也大一点。
但是在要不我们直接去厂里面看。
应该啊。
厂里颜色多。
对。OK，那我觉得这样我不能在这边浪费时间，因为对我去厂里面。要回去上海之后，我们先去厂，选你们
厂里面选好颜色。
那品种有没有选好？就是这样的一个
品种这样子，你像跟客人说一声，咱们准备要直接就奔厂里面，好吧？
我们这边去厂里面。
说喜欢呀。
说什么？咱们现在不是去代运 factory？
对。
那咱们颜色现在你选的话，现在没那么多样品嘛，去厂里面直接把这个色卡拿出来啊，去按照色卡上指不就好了吗
？OK，
都准。
OK。
色卡有是吧？
Okay, sir. Yes, I checked all the colors. So what we are going to do now, we will head, and then I will. So stay online, please.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so all the colors you want, they have it. So we go there because there is a lot of colors, so it's easy to pick from there. It's easy to choose from there.
So if you look at the colors that I sent to you.
Yeah.
So hopefully when you look at it, you could make out the colors too. So when you see them, you just know, okay, this is it.
The green one, okay. I see that. I see.
All right. So you're gonna call me when you get to the factory.
Exactly.
Right? Okay. All right. Okay.
In 30 minutes around. Because it's not in a city center. It's a little bit far.
You remember that white?
White shiny one.
White. Yeah, shiny one. They sent me the video. If you see it in the factory, can you show it to me as well?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Thank you.
No problem.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.